Well, the weekend's finally here, and sunshine will be back for most of tomorrow. You might see a few more clouds at times. There's like 0 out there today, so any clouds or more clouds tomorrow. But mainly still a fairly sunny day across the valley. Clouds really start to increase, I think, on Sunday. I don't think it's going to be all gray skies, but compared to the super sunny days of the last couple of days, Sunday, you see how the clouds are depicted there in the background, may kind of cloud up a little bit, and that could bring a couple of rain showers around. Don't think it's going to be much rain, but maybe a couple of brief rain showers here and there. The rain chances are at about 20%, but still, I mean, if you even get maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch of rain or so in 1 or 2 spots, that might be even on the high side. So probably won't be seeing much, but current temperatures are in the 90s, still even over 100 in Starr County, 101 in Rio Grande City, but 99 in Edinburg and McAllen, and 90 degrees in Brownsville. The weather for this evening for football still looks pretty good. If you're going to be out there at some of the games, will be warm and humid, but temperatures kind of settling through the 80s as we get toward kickoff time. We might still be near 90 in some areas, but probably about 88 or 89, and then falling through the 80s gradually with mainly clear skies and a light wind kind of from the south and southeast. So not any rain out there on your games this evening. Satellite radar shows clear skies around the valley and even everywhere nearby. We look a little farther out and you see there are a couple showers way out in West Texas, and then some clouds and showers in the central and eastern Gulf. Some of this kind of tropical moisture here might get eventually pushed a little bit westward toward us by Sunday, Monday. That's part of the reason for the increasing chance for at least a couple of rain showers, but still, like I said, doesn't look like very much rain at all. Future track shows this evening at 5 p.m. just mainly clear skies around and sunshine. By later tonight, clear skies. Temperatures fall down through the 80s tonight, eventually into the 70s. Now tomorrow, you see we're back maybe with a few clouds here and there, but generally a mostly sunny day on Saturday. Again, you might see a few of these puffy clouds and a few high clouds move by from time to time, but still a fairly sunny, hot, and humid day. By the time we get to Sunday, though, the models kind of bounce around a bit, but I think the general trend is that we bring in some more clouds at times, kind of a partly to mostly cloudy day, and you might start to see a couple showers. You see Future Track's not too gung-ho today. Remember yesterday it showed more rain, and I thought that was a little too much, but a couple of showers could pop up from time to time on Sunday and spots all the way through the evening, and then again on Monday and Tuesday. So no big chances for rain, but dry tomorrow and up to about 20% by Sunday and Monday. You really could keep those rain chances at around roughly 10 or 20% for most days next week, but still overall, willing to bet is not going to be much rain. If you even see throughout the next week maybe a quarter to half an inch of rain, that might be a typical amount. So tonight down to about 75 degrees late tonight, but most of the evening in the 80s, and then tomorrow back up to about 96 degrees, sunshine, but mixed with some of these little puffy clouds possible, maybe a few high clouds streaming by, but generally another warm or somewhat hot day out there with the humidity still running fairly high as we get toward the last week or so of summer coming up. So first 1570 forecast could cool off a couple more degrees by the time we get those Sunday and Monday, but we're not talking about any cold fronts or any big drops in temperature anytime soon. Highs should still be in the low to mid 90s in most areas Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with lows in the upper 70s. It will be rather humid. That's why you see those low temperatures kind of hang mostly in the upper 70s many of the days coming up. And then later next week, don't think the moisture is really ever going to totally thin out next week. So we'll probably be in and out of some clouds, kind of partly to mostly cloudy, but temperatures still in the 90s. And once in a while, you might see a little shower pop up from time to time, but nothing more than just a brief shower, it looks like, with no heavy rain expected anytime soon. But we'll keep watching for any moisture, for some rain, and also checking the tropics later in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?